Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's November 9th. Yes, November 9th. It's snowing. And I'm finally gonna work on my own project car. I sold the header to a local FEOA, Ford Escort Owners Association, whatever they pronounce it. The transmission is most likely sold. When I get that out, there's a guy that wants that. So the engine and all the other stuff are still for sale. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. I was gonna use this camera for the time lapse, but looks like I gotta use the other one because I forgot to charge this one. So let's get to it. And there we have it. The header's pulled off, so I can get that to that guy. Next step, drain the fluids since I got the exhaust off. So oil and a coolant bucket. Okay, the camera charged up enough. I got the trans cross brace out, and I replaced these when I had this transmission out. They are toast. Both of these are just done. That is crazy. Okay, I gave up on the trans mount in the rear for right now because the bolt hits the subframe, so I can't get it out. So I'm going to start taking the airbox, the battery out, strut brace, and anything else that's in the way of pulling this. Okay, so I got the battery tray out, the airbox, the bottom half of the airbox, and I'm trying to disconnect all these electrical without damaging this harness too much, because I kind of want to sell that part as well. Down here is the bolt. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it hits that frame there. I gotta go and get these wheels and shafts out, because I gotta take that cross brace off, or the strut brace off. And then there's all the AC in my way, fuel lines to disconnect. Oh yeah, this part of the harness. Yep, there's a lot. So as you've seen in the time lapse, I've been just working on this and rocking out the music, and I've got everything disconnected except for the half shafts. I gotta get to those, but the fuel lines are off, the wiring's out of the way. This stuff just kind of stays with the intake. Power steering's disconnected. Heater hoses. I just got to get that axle shaft out and this axle shaft out, and then the powertrain will come out. Well, as you've seen in the timeline, or the time-lapse, timeline, oh my God, I can't even talk right now. I'm lifting it kind of weird-like. The axle shaft here is stuck in, so I had to figure out some other way to get it out of here. So I had to lift it at an odd angle just to get her out of here. think I can level it back down finally. The handle keeps coming loose on this thing, so this is kind of annoying. There we go. Yeah, Eric's not here to help, so this is all me, all by myself. Oh, there's an engine stand behind me. Strap out of my way now. Oh, yep, there's bolts down here. I should get those first. Nope, stop tilting over. Okay, on the floor, bolts underneath are off, so I can get this transmission separated. Ooh. Yep, I just bashed my thumb right there. Yep, you guys just saw that. I'm gonna leave that in. Oh boy. Oh, come on, really? There we go. Sort of. She's out. And full of fluid in here. Yep, I do not have that over there. Well, this is what I wanted to accomplish today. It's tore apart. Now the next step is to take that subframe out and replace that steering rack, because that's bad. And take everything out of here, clean this engine bay up, fix the only rust spot on this. Battery went bad and apparently leaked and caused it to rust through. So, see you guys in the next one.